Hey everybody, wanted to thank you for your attention last night in our session about learning objectives and teaching portfolios. I wanted to update you that I have added the presentation slides to the Google page for last night in Canvas. So if you go to Canvas, you can download the slide deck. And I also wanted to reiterate the importance of sharing permissions. Quite a few of you have shared your teaching portfolio website already, and I've seen a couple of different issues. Most of them involve access. So once again, I'm going to show you the Express. This is what it looks like when it doesn't work from the reviewer side. So what I would ask you to do is a couple of things. Number one, on the Google Drive side, you can share that folder. You can make that as open as possible. If you go down here to More, this will be public on the web. Then you'll never have to worry about individual sharing again. So I'm going to make mine public, my Google Drive folder. I had previously shared it with individuals. I'm just going to open it wide up. There's nothing in here that, is secretive. Let me look at my Google site. This is what the published version looks like. Trying to find, I wanted to show you sharing on the Google site version, so I'll go over to my mail, find sites, new Google Sites, here's the demo site that I showed you last night. Go ahead and open that. And very similar to sharing a folder in Google Drive, I can share this site to where as many or as few people can see it as possible. So, under the Sharing tab again, I'm going to do the same thing I did with my Google Drive. I'm going to say share it. Public. Publish it. And once again, the published address of the site I can look at by viewing the published site. So if I want my aunt or uncle or grandma to see this site, I view the published site. I would share this URL with them. Copy and paste it. If you open any other browser, for example, you open Firefox. Paste that address in here. And voila. Not only should my site show up, albeit slowly, thought I would get thumbnails of this. Maybe it's just because my wireless is slow. But if I click on self-introduction, behold, there it is. CV, behold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so anyway, again, it's important to manage your sharing permissions for your Google Drive that contains all your artifacts, these items, as well as your site itself. If you have any questions, My email address is rpierce@su.edu. Thanks a lot.